Welcome, in front of me is a Pixel 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. Let's disregard this, and let's go back to the main page. There we go. So you'll see your settings probably like this. Now here we're going to scroll all the way down to System, a little bit higher up at the bottom. And in System, we are looking for Reset Options, and you want to select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Give it a second and it will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. Now, if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to maintain, make a backup copy of it, and I recommend doing that copy to something like your computer. It's always just much nicer, safer to back up your personal data to a storage that you have full control over and not the cloud. Obviously, if you like privacy, uploading your personal data to someone else's computer doesn't seem too private. And additionally, it presents you with a kind of like this walled garden where this data is only available to you as long as you're going to use Google account to restore it, and obviously Android device. And furthermore, not all the data will be backed up on the Google Cloud. So now I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm going to select Erase All Data. Now before I do so, I do want to point out you have the option to erase eSIM profile. If you have been using eSIM and you're getting rid of this device, maybe replacing it or whatever, you most likely want to check this box. If you're living in the US, you most likely, and you're getting rid of this device, you most likely will need to check this device as you don't have a SIM card in there. As far as I know, this device does not come with a SIM tray, only eSIM. Anyway, from here we're going to select Erase, and if you have screen lock, confirm it, and then select Erase All Data, and this will now begin factory resetting your phone. And this process will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.